Ever wondered how the wealthiest elite navigate the world of money, or how you can position yourself for financial success? Well, you're in the right place. Today's topic is a roller coaster through the realms of wealth inequality, savings strategies by age, and the art of building wealth that could redefine your financial game. Before we plunge into the video, do me a favor. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and ring that bell to stay updated with our content. Alright, let's delve deep into the stark reality of wealth inequality on a global scale. Brace yourselves because the numbers might just blow your mind. Picture this. A whopping 70% of the world's population commands a mere 3% of the total wealth. That means the vast majority of us are navigating life with just a tiny sliver of the financial pie. Now, here's the jaw-dropping revelation. To be part of the elusive top 1%, you only need a net worth of $770,000. Now, I know what you're thinking. That sounds like a staggering sum, right? Well, hold on to your hats because when you consider the mind-boggling fortunes amassed by the world's wealthiest, $770,000 doesn't even scratch the surface of a million. So pause for a moment and reflect. Could you be richer than you think? It's a question that goes beyond the numbers on your paycheck. It's about understanding your net worth, the value of your assets, and how you measure up in the grand scheme of global wealth distribution. Stick around because by the end of this segment, you might just gain a new perspective on your own financial standing. In a world where headlines often focus on the ultra-wealthy, it's crucial to comprehend where you stand amidst this intricate web of financial dynamics. Are you unwittingly part of the top percentile? Or is there room for improvement in your financial journey? The answer lies in the details, and we're here to unravel them for you. So grab your financial compass and let's navigate through the maze of wealth inequality together. The Billionaire Club. Welcome to the Billionaire Club, where fortunes soar higher than skyscrapers and dreams are priced in trillions. As of the current year, 2023, the global elite boasts a mind-boggling 2,200 billionaires. Now, hold on to your seats because their combined wealth is a staggering $9.1 trillion. Let that sink in. $9.1 trillion. To put this into perspective, it's more than the gross domestic product of entire nations, some of which are considered economic powerhouses. It's not just wealth, it's economic influence on a scale that's difficult to fathom. Now, rewind the clock to the turn of the century, the year 2000. Back then, the total net worth of these financial titans was less than $1 trillion. Fast forward to 2018, and brace yourself. It catapulted to over $9 trillion. That's a meteoric rise in less than 2 decades, underscoring the relentless accumulation of wealth at the very top. As we navigate this sea of astronomical numbers, the pressing question emerges. Where do you fit into this ever-expanding equation of wealth? Are you merely a spectator? Or does your financial trajectory align with the upward surge of the global elite? Time to get personal. How do you calculate your net worth? It's easier than you think. Grab a pen and paper and split it into 2 columns. On one side, jot down all your assets, investments, homes, cars, even that prized jewelry. On the other, list your liabilities, mortgages, loans, debts. Subtract one from the other, and there you have it, your net worth. Don't worry if it's negative. We'll tell you why later. Savings by age. Now, let's embark on a journey through the stages of life and financial wisdom. We all start somewhere. And if you're in your 20s, I want you to take a deep breath and relax. Having zero savings is okay. In fact, it's more common than you might think. Trust me, I've been there, navigating through the early days of adulthood, juggling expenses and, let's be honest, probably splurging a bit too much on things we didn't need. But here's the real deal. Your 20s are the foundation of your financial future. It's the time when smart decisions can set the stage for a lifetime of success. While you may not be jetting off on luxury vacations or investing in real estate just yet, you have something invaluable at your disposal: time. Use it wisely. As you navigate through your 20s, consider this a period of financial education. Learn about budgeting, understand the power of compounding, and maybe dip your toes into the world of investing. While it's okay not to have substantial savings, it's not okay to ignore the potential your money holds. Fast forward to your 30s. This is where things start to get real. Aim to have at least 6 months of your income saved up. It's your safety net, your financial cushion for unexpected twists life may throw your way. And if you're feeling ambitious, why not strive for a year? Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing you have a solid financial foundation beneath you. Now, as you hit your 40s, it's time to raise the bar. Think about having 3 times your annual income tucked away. It might sound daunting, but it's not impossible. And trust me, it's definitely worth the effort. By this point, you might have a family, a mortgage, and various financial responsibilities. Having that financial buffer can be a game changer. Consider this: if your annual income is $60,000, having $180,000 saved by your 40s is the goal. It's a safety net, a cushion that can soften the impact of unexpected financial hurdles. The median income for 40-year-olds, as of our latest data, is a little below $60,000, so you're not alone in this journey. Remember, these are not rigid rules carved in stone. Your financial journey is unique and circumstances vary. However, the essence remains the same. The earlier you start, the more you'll have when you need it most. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Building wealth. Ever wondered how people build wealth? It's not just about hoarding money. It's about making your assets work for you. Now, we'll unravel the secrets behind the process of building wealth and how you can pave your way to financial prosperity. First and foremost, building wealth isn't synonymous with hoarding money under your mattress. It's about making your assets work for you, a concept that involves strategic financial planning and smart investment decisions. One of the magical elements in this process is compounding, the snowball effect that transforms small financial gains into substantial wealth over time. Let's break it down with a real-world example. Imagine a modest 7% return on an initial investment of $1,000. At first glance, it may not seem like much, a mere $70. However, the magic unfolds when you scale it up. Picture the same 7% return applied to a $10 million investment. Suddenly, you're entering the realm of the top 1%, where financial dreams become a tangible reality. Now, let's talk about the vehicle that often fuels this journey: the stock market. Historical data has shown that, on average, the stock market offers around a 10% return over the long run. This means that if you strategically invest your money, you have the potential to outpace inflation and see your wealth grow substantially. While the road to wealth may be challenging, the payoff is undeniably enormous. It's akin to planting seeds today and watching them grow into towering trees in the future. The key is perseverance and a willingness to navigate the inevitable twists and turns of the financial landscape. So, as you embark on your wealth-building journey, keep in mind that you're not alone. Many successful individuals started with modest beginnings and gradually accumulated wealth through disciplined financial habits. The opportunities are vast, and the potential for financial growth is within your grasp. And there you have it, folks. The intricate world of wealth, savings, and building a secure financial future. I hope you found today's exploration both eye-opening and empowering. If you enjoyed the insights shared in this video, don't forget to show some love by hitting that like button, subscribing for more content, and ringing that bell so you never miss an update.